Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you exactly how to cancel or pause a customer's subscription directly from your Stripe dashboard. First, log into your Stripe account. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Subscriptions. This page shows all active subscriptions. Find the specific one you need to manage. Use the search bar to look up a customer's name. Click on the subscription ID to open its details page. Now, look for the Actions button near the top right. Click it. To pause the subscription, select Pause. This will temporarily stop payments from being collected. To cancel it completely, click Actions and then select Cancel Subscription. Stripe will ask you to confirm. Once you do, the subscription is ended immediately. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pause or cancel a subscription, giving you full control over your recurring payments. If this gave you more control, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.